We're here in Hot Springs, Arkansas at the beautiful Lake Ouachita for the KBF FLW Cup. We're just out with some of the Team Ketch guys doing a little bit of pre-fishing. The bite has been really tough. We got one decent one just now. These anglers are really gonna have to grind it out over the weekend. Bluebird skies, 95 degrees. It's gonna be a really tough bite, but our team tends to shine when the conditions are the toughest. And I think we'll find that Dwain's gonna get on the pattern this afternoon. He's a guy that always figures it out. I predict good things for Team Ketch.
That calls out a 12-inch even, 2-inch upgrade for sure. Let's get another one. Just got off the water here at Lake Ouachita. It was really tough today. I culled twice until 10:23. And it was like 1:30 before I caught another fish, and I had 2 culls after that. I'm in the 70, 71 inch range, so very happy with that, as tough as it is. So I started the day throwing a 1/4 ounce buzz bait, and I caught my limit, and then I caught 2 more somewhat decent culls. And then after it started raining, I switched over to a whopper plopper because the spinnerbait I was using was a 1/4 ounce, so it's not very much of a commotion on the surface of the water. So I put the pin dragon on and caught 2 while it was raining on that. The last hour of fishing got me 2 nice culls, gave me like 6 more inches or so. That was like a really big deal to grind it out right to the very end. It's a good start for tomorrow. I was junk fishing a lot, just catching them here and there. Probably do the same thing again tomorrow. I'm probably going to go to the same ramp, do mostly the same thing, and try to grind out another limit. On day 1, I caught a lot more fish. The bite was a little tough, but it's tough everywhere in August. I targeted fish in like 6 inches to a foot of water. I culled several times. I managed to catch a limit both days. Didn't have quite the limit that I did on day 2, but only got 5 keeper bites. It was really a grind, but the quality was just amazing compared to the first day. I caught a 20.25 inch fish right off the bat really early. I went to some schooling fish and they were just not acting right. You would run to the school, they go down. You throw something in there, nothing. You chase 100 yards back and forth. I've been catching spotted bass in the schools, and then I decided to scrap that and go back to my topwater bite and just to cover as much water as possible and try to get the other 4 fish. For second place, so I can't complain about that at all. I only figured out one thing during practice. Just fishing those topwaters.